that the most successful people in the world do not rely and did not rely on motivation to get them to where they are. Hannah Sharp Fitness here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am a fitness, fat loss online coach. Yeah, everything fitness, and I have recently started a new series on pregnancy, but today I'm bringing a brand new video and idea to you. So this is my little whiteboard and we're going to call this the Whiteboard series. I'm going to be bringing these videos to you once every 2 weeks. So next week will be the pregnancy one, then you'll see another whiteboard episode coming at you. So this is basically the third time that I'm recording this video because my camera is messing up. I'm praying to God that this one actually works. Alright, so let's get into it, shall we? So today we are talking about motivation mindset. So first of all, let's chat about what motivation mindset really is and why it is not serving you. Motivation mindset is basically the mindset where someone is so drawn into motivation, so focused on it, they're relying on motivation as their sole fuel to get them from A to B. But the truth is, we all know and we've all experienced, motivation is very, very, very unreliable. It is so fickle and we just can't use it really to get to where we want to be. So this time next year, if you're relying on motivation, then probably, not sounding harsh, but you're probably not going to achieve the goals that you really, really want to achieve. But I am here today because I'm going to provide you hopefully with a shift in your mindset, open your eyes up to a new way, a new mindset that is going to completely change your life and hopefully help you achieve the results that you really, really are hoping for. Yeah? Okay guys, so we are putting across in our motivation mindset because we no longer want to rely on motivation to get us from A to B. Instead, I'm providing you with the two things that you have completely been missing. And I just want to make it clear to you right now that the most successful people in the world do not rely and did not rely on motivation to get them to where they are. You need to know that. They have been doing these two things that you are missing, and this is where I'm going to show you. Alright, so first of all, motivation is the key that unlocks the door and it gets us into our vehicle. Now that's really, really good. Motivation can get you started. That's amazing. Keep doing that. Instead of solely relying on motivation, there are two things that you need, and we are calling these the fuels for your car. Okay, so we have consistency and repetition, the two things that are going to get you from A to B. Once you have got in your car, you're going to fill up on these two things. You're going to get from A to B at last. Finally, it's going to happen. Does that make sense? That is basically all you need to do. Okay, so let's break it down. When we are truly consistent and we repeat something over a period of time, it results a very, very big thing, big result. You're going to achieve the results that you have finally been wanting to achieve for a very, very long time. Motivation provides you with the key. It's going to unlock the door. There's going to be some bumps in the roads. There's always a little bit of a roller coaster ride with motivation, but when we have consistency and repetition together, you're still going to achieve your results. That's basically it. It's that simple and it is that effective, because when you do something every single day, one step at a time for 365 days, it equals 365. Mind blowing. That is flipping mind blowing, and your goals are finally going to be achieved. How amazing is that, guys? Seriously, I want you to ditch that motivation mindset, and I want you to start using these two new fuels in your journey, your fitness journey, in your work, in your life, in your relationships. It's going to change everything about your whole life. Okay, so I want to know how you get on. I want to know how this video helps you. And guys, if you are struggling to get that consistency and repetition in place with a routine that's serving you and your goals, then hit me up, because I'm a fitness and fat loss coach and I can provide you with that routine that you need to get you to your results next year. Alright guys, so I will see you next week with a new pregnancy video update, but for now please hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you soon.